Come on, Larry. Come on!
This way, you kind of gets narrower.
Which way?
I can make that.
Yeah, once it cools off. I mean, we'd be long gone if we weren't, you know, riding a pit bike. We're stranded in Bean Canyon. We're not alone. Alright, he's almost at your spot where you turned around, Evan.
Yep.
So we're stranded in Bean Canyon and we ran across another group. Another two groups. There you go. This is the line out. Let's see if you can do it. He's going. These guys are looking for other options.
He's running with his bike, not digging it.
Yeah, he's burying it. Where this fellow stopped. He didn't make it. Where's he at? Zach said, yeah, we're gonna cruise today. Because he knows exactly where we're going. Yeah.
So hey, I have a question for you.
What?
If we go down this way, you take Evan up that hill and meet at the top of that trail.
Okay. Yeah, and then we'll meet you guys there-ish. We're at the top of the trail, right?